feel the Hoffman Group, what a huge organisation. What's the theme that you've got here at the MACH Exhibition 2018?
Well, as you can see, the theme is speed, the need for speed. You can see the German touring car, the DTM vehicle that we sponsor. This is it's actually having a run out in Brands Hatch this year, which is great for the UK. But the actual theme for us here is about the service, the complete service package that we offer to customers as a system partner. And that's the key difference between ourselves and a lot of other companies. It's the full gamut of products that we supply.
Graham, I'm a master of this. I'm surprised there's no machines on the stand. Why is that?
Yeah, well, we've made a conscious decision. We don't need machines to be on our stand, Colin, this particular time. What we're looking for is that we've got the best engineering team that we believe application driven in the UK. What we're looking for is obviously discussing various projects with customers during the MACH that are coming on to talk to us about serious large investments.
Hiya, it's Amber here for MTD and we're at the MACH Show 2018. Is there anything in particular that you're here to see today? Any new products?
Yes, our company is dealing with the furnaces, so I'm looking for new control systems for new PLC designs, new sensor designs.
Okay, perfect. And have you seen anything exciting so far?
Not yet, but I feel I will find something nice.
Yeah.
Mike, we're at Quick Grind. What are you showcasing at MACH?
The most important thing we're showcasing is this tool here. It's the conical barrel tool. It now is the largest range available in the UK, worldwide actually nowadays, and it's 1.8 to 2.5 millimeter radius diameter on the tip and 250 to 1500 millimeters on the radius, so 95% cycle time reduction.
Rav, we're here at MACH 2018, AMRC. What message are you trying to get across?
The message we're trying to get across is that the fourth industrial revolution is here, but it doesn't have to cost a lot. We've got a 1956 lathe next to us that we have sensed up inexpensively for 200, 250 pounds, and we're beginning to get data off it. For many people, that's the start of their digital journey.
Now, I see you've just pulled up. How's things going?
It's a fantastic day. We're on day 2 of MACH 2018. The aisles are getting really, really full. There are a lot of people coming through, and the fantastic thing is how much technology and how much new technology there is on display here. It's really come on a level even in the last 2 years. The amount of digital that's on people's stands, the amount of automation that's getting integrated into all sorts of different manufacturing processes, that's really come on in the last 2 years. It's a fantastic, fantastic opportunity to see the latest of what's there.
I'm here with Valerio from Dalmec at MACH 2018. What is it that you're showcasing at the show this year?
We handle basically handling equipment, so anytime somebody needs to lift anything very heavy, up to 1 ton, we can actually use those handling equipment to take away the weight of the product. So you can handle, tilt anything up to 1 ton by basically with no effort whatsoever.
We're here at MACH. What are you showcasing and what is unique about your products?
Cardex is showcasing the fastest picker machine in the world. It's an automated retrieval solution that enables people to pick solutions their products really fast, get them out the door, get them to their customers within a very, very short pace of time. And it's called the LR35.
Is there anything you're particularly showcasing here?
Yes, I mean, in actual fact, we come to the show regularly and particularly showcasing sort of new products that we've actually got on display here from our sort of extensive catalogue that we have here for people to take away. All the products are available online as well.
Morning. Colin, what are you displaying here at MACH 2018?
We've got the new GW part-off system, which is proving to be more than twice as good as anybody else's system currently. Also, the new VPX milling system that we've got, tangential insert, very low load on the tool, so high feed.
We haven't got many engineering companies here at the show. Is there a particular reason why you've decided to showcase here?
It's the first time we visited MACH, but we've attended here before as visitors, and we obviously great football, great exhibition. So we decided to come and showcase our abilities here. Obviously, we have precision machinists, certainly in specialists in wire EDM and precision milling.
Yeah, we're here again with the demonstrator. We're showcasing the LBR EVA as usual. We're here with the KR32 and we've got a new bit of software that we're showing people called Ready 2. On this occasion it's a Ready 2 pilot and it's whereby you can actually use a industrial robot almost collaboratively, so guiding and moving the robot yourself.
We're here today with AM Tooling and AM Hydraulics. We're launching a new division, AM Tooling. The company's been established now for 40 years and we're expanding the business into supplying design, simulation and manufacture of press tools for automotive, aerospace and marine applications.
Carissa, Safran, obviously really well-known company, but why are you here at MACH?
So we're here at the MACH 2018 exhibiting our Airbus A350 main landing gear. We're responsible for the design, development, qualification, testing, manufacture and support at the Gloucester site. So the A350 main landing gear showcases our latest technology for low weight and high reliability.
Adrian, this is a beast of a machine behind you here. What is it actually doing?
Basically, it makes electronic components for the automotive industry, construction and whatever.
What kind of components can it make?
Well, you can make electronic components at 50 tonne and it does it dynamically balanced of the machine as it runs. So for any industry, medical, construction.
Tony, second day on the trot here. First of all, how's Diagon Alley?
Well, it's not Diagon Alley, it's actually Productivity Drive, but yeah, yesterday was great, good steady stream of traffic really, expected it to be busier today, but I think good quality visitors as well to the stand.
Does that include Steph McGovern? I heard she was looming around here earlier.
Well, we had to, she was on Productivity Drive, but we moved her on. But no, good day really, but good, it's the quality of visitors